Hey guys, it's Carrie Kimura here with my first ever YouTube video. So this is not exactly how I had it planned. I did want to have everything pretty much like a camera, you know, an official setup and stuff, which is on top of that, you know, costly. But I felt like if I was gonna keep pushing myself back to wait until I had everything, then my YouTube was never gonna get created. And on top of that, I had an amazing brand send me some items. Sistar Cosmetics. So that's what this full face is using. All of the products from Sistar Cosmetics. These are all the items they've sent me. Stay tuned, guys, to see how I created this look using these products. we supposed to freak. Ooh, it's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, it's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, it's how it's supposed to be. Everything you're looking supposed to be. Ooh, y'all take a close to me. But here we are with my little neutral look. I like. So make sure you guys check them out. Sistar Cosmetics, Sistar Cosmetics on Instagram, and the website is sistarcosmetics.com. Thank you guys again for watching my video and staying in tune with me. I really hope you guys liked it. Again, bear with me. This is my first video. I was so nervous on how this was gonna go, but I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos that are coming really soon. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, Carrie Kimora, CarrieKimora. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my page so you guys can stay in tune when I be dropping my next videos, and also click that bell so you'll know when that new video is uploaded. Thank you so much again, guys. Thank you, Sistar Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to do my next one. Later, guys.